This is our product of silicone steel wire bellows. Our silicone steel wire pipe bellows are also divided into 3 grades. A file of products, B products and C products. The main difference between these 3 products is that products in file, A can pass through water. Its temperature and pressure range is kept above 0.8 kilometers of water. 0.8 no water leaks. The flexural properties, this is flexural properties, show it. The main difference between it and the B file is that it uses the whole body fiber process inside as a whole. From this end to this end, there is silicone backing inside, therefore ensures sealing performance. The difference between B and A is that it only passes through air. It's a little bit softer. It doesn't use a whole body primer. Only the soft head part has it. There is no primer in the middle part. Its performance is mainly due to the fact that it belongs to air. It can only hold up to 0.4 megapascals in water. The C file does not use a whole body primer. Its flexibility can be better. But the difference between the C file and the B file is that there is no tape wrapped around the outside of the B file. The C and the gears are wrapped with tape. Its pressure performance will be better. It's about as flexible as B, but the price of this C file is more favorable. They are exactly the same craftsmanship, but B, well, the only difference is that one is wrapped with tape. One is not taped. This is not available. The B file is not wrapped with tape. It's always this shiny on the surface. No matter how you need it, it's been like this since it bounced back. But in file C, you are like this because of the tape wrapped around you. After bending back and forth a lot like this, it's surface tape. There will be wrinkles in the position. The surface will look ugly, but because it was taped, its pressure bearing performance will be slightly higher. It will be slightly higher pressure than the B gear. There is also a file, but because the A file is primed inside, if it were made of this kind of tape, and when it bends, it bulges on this side.
补出来之后，
After the
这
drum
个
comes out,
弯曲根本就不能要了，这种
it
弯
won't
曲
work
就
at
不
this
行
bending
了。
angle. If the customer clearly knows that he's just passing through the air, we recommend using C. The price also has advantages. It is cheap, and if the customer has a demand for water, you must use a